Please record. Please record.
I call this meeting to order.
Okay.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the first GPM of the year. I'm very happy that you all have joined in for the meeting. Thank you so much, and a big welcome to our AG, Dr. Rajendra Wankhede, sir. To begin with, I guess we first, I would request our secretary to kindly update us with all the projects and what all we've been doing from the 1st of July till now. Over to you, Girish.
Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Welcome, Dr. Wankhede. We have started on the 1st of July with Doctors' Day celebration and Chartered Accountant Day celebration. For Doctors' Day, we went to Manav Kalyan Kendra, where we felicitated few of the doctors and celebrated Doctors' Day there. On 2nd of July, we had our first board of directors meeting, which was offline after a long period. We had an offline meeting, and happy to say that most of the BOD members were very happy to meet and chat in person. Like it was offline, it was a fun. And we must thank Dr. Shirali and Rotarian Mrs. Shirali for hosting that BOD. 3rd of July, we had Drop of Hope. It is a blood donation drive, as you know, throughout the district. In our Dombivli, we had Shubhamangal Hall as a venue, and 12 other clubs, Rotary and Rotaract clubs were with us, and we were the lead host club. And happy to say we collected more than 30 bottles of blood on that day. 4th of July, we had our installation, which was online. And 8th of July, few of the Rotarians visited Murbad for the donation of old clothes to the needy people. And also the survey for Happy School was done in the Murbad area. This is till the 8th of July. Over to you, Ulka. Hello.
Thank you, Girish.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Girish. It's just like, beginning and itna sara bhi ho gaya. It seems so nice. Okay, now for the upcoming projects, what we are coming up with. I'll first come up with that. On 16th, we are having a speaker session. Again, that is going to be an online session. I have spoken to Dr. Girish Birud for the session. He is still to give his confirmation for it. On 18th July, we are having a tree plantation drive along with the South Indian College. That is the one which is near the Dombivli Gymkhana. And just to tell you all the progress about it, Ravi Shankar ji is not here, so I will just take it over and pass it on the message. We are going to plant around 100 trees over there in the campus. Since it is a Sunday morning, we'll be doing it 8:30, and one day prior to that, that is on Saturday tomorrow, their NSS students are going to go there and have the pits and everything done ready. They have received these saplings from Haryali Foundation, and we are going to do it along with them. And morning May, it's like we'll have as many as Rotarians go for it. It could be a nice gesture. They are planning to call the press, even the police, and I mean they are doing it on a very big scale. So it's a request to all the Rotarians to please kindly join for the tree plantation drive. That is at 8:30 in the morning on 18th July, a Sunday. So that will be the next coming, not the Sunday, but the next Sunday. And after that, the next Sunday, we are having our club picnic. That is on the 25th. Sandeep Fulgaonkar is the program chairman for it, and it was very nice of him that he suggested that we go to his farmhouse. And yesterday we visited it and we had a Reiki trip for it. It's a very nice place, completely in jungle, and they have a very nice waterfall next to their farm, which is like inside. It's not on the road, so people won't even understand that there is a waterfall here, and it's completely safe, and it's a complete isolated place for all of us to be there. So we will be in nature, still we can all be together in spite of the present situation. So I would request all the members to please join for the picnic too. And on the 28th and 29th of July, that is a 2-day teachers training program we are going to have. We have Rotarian Manohar Desai, who's going to be the program chairman for it. Sir, can you share a few details about it?
Exactly. That's why I raised the hand. That
Oh, sorry, I can't see you because I am on the screen. All right.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
actually, yesterday only I spoke with Ambernath principal. He is also Western area director, Ajit Shinde. And what I did, like since we have to concentrate on Murbad, in fact, request has come from their side to take a 2 days workshop for their instructor. Okay, for all the instructor, not necessarily electronic instructor. So I have insisted Ajit Shinde that why can't you add a Murbad ITI also, because this time we are going to focus it on a Murbad area from the Rotary. And if you are allowing me and if you are adding the Murbad also, then it will be good from my side also, because we are concentrating Murbad this year. So he has accepted that. Today I have talked with Murbad principal also. So our program is fixed. I already shared the content to them. The program is what, first day I am going to take a e-platform training for all the instructor. That is, everybody is going to join from Ambernath ITI and Murbad ITI. Okay. And the second day, it will be a focus program on Industry 4.0, which is a new upcoming smart manufacturing technique and other thing, which he has, in fact, requested me, Ajit Shinde, that, sir, please come and talk on this. So this next day will be a dedicated program for electronic faculties. So this is what we have planned for the teacher training. This is only for the teacher training. This is what from my side I have booked that thing. Now we'll have to start making team and other thing like Ulka, like as Sanjeev is there. Sanjeev knows, like we'll have to make a team, and then ball is in your court, and I will be definitely there with. We request Sanjeev to give his ideas also now how to do this.
Sir, how do you want it to be going?
I mean, Sanjeev, how, like we have to make a flare and the same team will work, or what? What is your suggestion? Because I have never looked that side. It's everything he did. So I am not aware of that.
So instructor किती आहे total login?
The instructor, I will tell you 30 trades. So 60 and 70 instructor first day.
And timing total first day timing and second day.
2.5 hours.
First day 2.5 hours.
हाँ, correct. E-platform training. Second day it will be 2.5 hours, but not all the 70 will join. It will be only.
And what is the time? Proposed time?
Timing once again 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours.
Okay.
Because online, sir, online, Sanjeev, online is, if you exceed 2.5 hours, then it is always difficult.
Sir, what is the time you are proposed already?
Acha. So time is there now. It is not yet decided, but I will whatever time is there, like maybe around 11 to 1, I will fix. 11 to 1.
Sir, availability आहे का शनिवार आणि रविवार तारीख बघून घ्या.
It is not Saturday, Sunday.
शनिवार रविवार नाही आहे, it is middays, 28th and 29th.
For them it is
availability check करा. नाही आपण कसं एक वन पहिला स्ट्रोक म्हणजे आपल्याला टायमिंगच्या अगेन्स्ट तुम्ही समजा 10:30 टाइम सांगितलं तर आपल्याला त्या 2:30च्या ऐवजी 3 तासाचं कन्फर्मेशन आपल्याला झूम आयडी लागेल.
ओके.
मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ 3 hours. कानोकर सर तुमच्याकडे काय परिस्थिती आहे?
Between 1 and 3, no? Afternoon.
सकाळी सर 10:30-11
मॉर्निंग
10 to 1
1:30 वाजेपर्यंत साधारण
10 to
10:30
1.
दीड बघूया. 3 hours we can consider 3 hours. 10:30 to 1:30.
I will make it available. No problem.
Sir,
On
availability
28th and 29th, 2
Oh,
days.
no problem. No problem.
Very nice.
Okay.
Manorji, please confirm and let me know so that
Yeah, definitely.
we will. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
सर
Definitely,
तुमचा
sir.
पहिला तुम्हाला आयडी मिळाला. फेज 2 म्हणजे इनॉग्रल राहील आणि व्हॅलिडेटरी राहील. तर ते
Okay.
उद्या करेल त्याच्यात ते प्रॉब्लेम नाही. सर फर्स्ट डेचं जे शेड्यूल असेल ते एक मीटिंग घेऊन विल टेक अ कॉल अँड विल फायनलाइज. नो प्रॉब्लेम.
Sanjeev,
Okay.
since you have arranged all this earlier for throughout the year, just let me know how the whole process is, and then I will take it further.
नाही, there is
forward.
an agenda you have to prepare for the inaugural.
Yes, I guess we'll have one meeting together with Manoj sir and you and me, and we'll finalize. that.
सकाळी सर 10:30चं टायमिंग पकडून चालूया आपण.
Correct. Okay.
10 to 10:30 सर फेलोशिप पकडूया. प्रॅक्टिकली आपण 10च म्हणूया. 10 to 10:30 रजिस्ट्रेशन आणि फेलोशिप आणि 10:30ला कार्यक्रम चालू केला तर 1 वाजेपर्यंत संपेल मोठा.
Yes, yes.
बरोबर सर. तर आपल्याला 1 वाजेपर्यंत समजा एक 10-15 मिनिटं मागे पुढे म्हणजे 1:30 वाजेपर्यंत लोकांना भूक लागली की 1:30 वाजेपर्यंत लोक लॉग आउट.
Exactly. That is the reason I kept it in the morning.
10 to 1:30 is the best way you have to consider.
Yes, sure.
10 ते 1:30 असा कार्यक्रम पकडून दोन्ही दिवस ना सर.
हो, दोन्ही दिवस. कारण दुसऱ्या दिवशी नंबर ऑफ हे कमी असतील, बट टायमिंग विल बी सेम.
दिवस वेळ सेम राहील.
वेळ सेम राहील.
नो प्रॉब्लेम. बोल दे.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Next, what we are doing?
Ulka, if I leave for 8:30, there is some meeting with L&T people. Is it okay, na? 8:35 I can leave. Huh?
Okay, sir. Next.
Yeah, Ulka.
Okay. Today we are going to release our bulletin. Rajendra sir, we are releasing our bulletin today in your presence. Hopefully it is an honor. It will be an honor for us to do so. I am just sharing the screen. Probably now this is the only way I can release my bulletin now.
Sure, go ahead.
Yes, thank you, sir. Is my screen seen?
Yeah.
This is the first bulletin of ours for the Smile year. I will just move it ahead. The first bulletin is quite simple. It has our DG's message. I will be sharing
147133
what is this?
I'll see that somebody else.
Yeah.
15511.
There is another, again, there is a message from my desk too. We have our outgoing president now, my IPP. His message is there. Okay, we have our editors, Rotarian Monali Gumte's message too in this. This time what she did was, she said, let's know the president and the secretary. So they have put a small article on about us.
Very good.
And then we have the list of board advisors and the board members. The list of projects for July, as that when it was planned that time, we are just mentioned those ones. We have mentioned about the district awards which Sanjeev received for his year. The citations in the Shukriya function and the club awards which he declared have been put in over here. And then the last page of ours, as usual, the birthdays for the month of July, birthdays and the anniversaries for the month of July. So this is our peacock, and sir, I would share this with you too soon. Can I stop sharing? And I'll be passing on this. Monali could not join us today for the meeting, I think. So she just passed it on and she asked me to release it and get it done. So I'm stopping the share. For our today's main purpose, what we've done gathered today is the club assembly, which is a mandatory event meeting for us at the very beginning. And I didn't want to delay it because there are a lot many other installations too, which sir has to attend. So I made it a point. I didn't want to go beyond the schedule, so I kept it on the first Friday of our meeting. I would request Khanolkar sir to please introduce a small intro about our AG once again.
Yeah, Dr. Rajendra Vankade, you're most welcome first.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll introduce in brief.
Start.
Assistant Governor Dr. Rajendra Vadkare is an orthopedic surgeon from Nagpur Government Medical College, running his hospital in Kalyan. Joined Rotary Club of Kalyan Riverside in 2012-13. He is a multiple Paul Harris Fellow and has arranged many medical camps. He enjoys farming and has a Gulmore farm near Boisar village. Happily married to Mrs. Suchita. They are blessed with two daughters. Dr. Rutuja completed her MBBS from JS Medical College and KEM Hospital. And a younger daughter, Purvi, is studying electronic and communication from IIT Guwahati. And with all this brief introduction, I once again welcome you, Dr. Rajendra Vankade. Please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And a big welcome once again, the official welcome for our club assembly. For our club assembly today, we have to get our bylaws passed and pass our budget too. Can I share my screen? Yes.
Yes, Ulka, you can.
Yes, just a moment. I think this RI constitution is in some other file, so I had to get it downloaded again. These are the constitutions of our Rotary Club of Dombivli, which we follow.
Make it full screen, Ulka.
Yes. Full screen here, sir.
Then make it a slideshow so that it will be a full screen.
Sir, ये slide नहीं है. It is in some other format.
Okay. Doesn't matter. We can read it.
Yeah, it's a word document, sir.
So, okay, we can read it. No problem.
Yeah, you can zoom only.
Yeah. No issue. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Going. ये क्या हो गया? Oh, sorry.
Control Z.
ये क्यों आ गया?
We are able to see your screen. No problem.
Yes. Going like this only, so it becomes a little. There are no such changes in the constitutions which I can make. So I would just be run. Am I supposed to read the whole constitution?
No need. You might have given a copy of it to everybody, no?
Yes, we all have this copy.
So no need to. There are no amendments also.
No amendments. I cannot amend the constitution, but I have a few changes to be made in my bylaws,
Yes.
which I would like to share over here. Maybe a little reframing of those words. So for this, these are the constitutions which are normally the normal constitutions which we follow. There are no as such amendments in this year from my end. So can we pass this? I would request somebody to propose it and second it. I can't see anybody's screen. So
Out of the members, anyone can suggest, propose and seconded by someone else.
I propose.
I said,
I second.
yeah, who said that?
Proposed
Sorry,
by
sir.
Dr. Shirali
Yeah.
Second.
and seconded by Mr. Amre.
Okay. Yogesh. All right. And now I go on with the bylaws. Stop this sharing, and I need to share another screen. Where is my bylaws? I don't know whether it is some spelling mistake or something like that, but for this, I would like to, can I go directly on the changes, what I need,
Changes.
or,
You read the changes, no?
okay, what I need, right? I'm going on that screen itself, so, people can read it. Also, in this Article 3, elections and term of office, in that, in the section 5, we have this president 1 year, vice president 1 year. Over here, it is written director. It should be directors. S should be added. I don't know whether it is a spelling mistake or whether I need to get this amendment or what. So this was one thing which I needed to change. As in, I'm not sure whether it is a spelling mistake or whether it is a, I can just do it. So I'm getting it passed here right away. Because we don't have one director, we have directors in the board. It is basically the term of office of each role, and that is for, like, president is for 1 year, vice president 1 year, treasurer 1 year. So it is not just one director, it is directors. So it is that way. I wanted that correction. And the duties of the officers remains the same as we've been following. The article of 5, that is on meetings, we are there again, we don't have any changes. We'll follow this as the first, second and fourth Friday as the meeting days. And for the board of directors meeting, we've kept it officially as third Friday, but other than that, any special other meetings needed, we can we may have it on some other day also. For that we have the provision saying that special meetings of the board are called with reasonable notice by the president or upon the request of 2 directors. So I can do that. Now in this, I wanted to make a few changes in this Article 6. The first point, which says that for members, annual membership fee is 12,000. They are paid as follows, in bracket 6,000 July and plus 6,000 January. Now the changes, what I want to suggest here is, first of all, the fees, I will not like to increase it right away because of the most of the things happening online, I may not like to increase it now. But if the things go offline, maybe in the second half, if needed, if our amount what we are collecting is not sufficient, then I would require, I take the permission from the members right away that if needed, we can increase the fees in the second half, or else if not needed, we may not increase that. And they are paid as follows. For that thing, and after follows, I want to add this word, they are paid as follows to the RI. Meaning that the member fee, it should, what I wanted to be read at as, for members, annual membership fee is 12,000 rupees. They are paid as follows to the RI as 6,000 in July plus 6,000 in January. If anyone has to say anything on that.
The part amount goes to RI, no?
Okay.
So it cannot be to RI.
Okay.
And,
No, then in that case, we can change the amount here because, and okay, I'll read out what I was, what I feel should be, no, that was in the third, no, wait, where is it? timer है next year. Okay. Yeah, in that case, the 6,000 this and because there is always a confusion we have at a club level. And this dates, July and January dates, they are after the invoice comes. So I mean, if not 6,000, please, if however you all suggest, please reframe it or that way. If anyone has suggestions on that.
See, you don't have to mention RI fees in that. So that invoice comes and you have to pay. So this
Agreed. No, the problem here is that when we are paying it, when it is mentioned like this 6,000 July plus 6,000 Jan, people, they don't inform us in advance at times if they want to leave, and because the invoice is raised, it creates a big havoc for the president. Because I have seen this last year, Sanjeev was facing hell lot of a problem with this part. So if any amendments or anything can be done here, please suggest. So that, or else, I mean, if we could add a new point in something like this, in case a member wishes to discontinue or withdraw his membership for any reason, he should inform the club before the invoice of annual due is raised by the RI in July and Jan. Can we add this point here?
that did not be a part of our bylaws.
No, the problem is it is not, because it is not a part of the bylaws. A lot many problems are created then.
We can inform members and we can pass it in BOD and just inform members they should inform. I don't think it is a part of bylaws as such.
Normally,
Even whatever you said that if you will increase fees after that, that is also only for the year, no? So it is not a bylaw.
so these bylaws we are following for the year. Your voice, sir. Hello.
Hello, bylaw
Yeah.
once changed, they remain permanent unless they are changed. So every year
Okay.
you need not change. So whatever is fixed, that you have to include in bylaws. And temporary for a year, if you are taking any decision, that is only in BOD and you have to inform club members. Why it should be a law? It's not a law.
Because people are, we are not, I mean, it
Huh?
is actually a rule of the, if anybody has to leave or any reason, if they want to leave or, what, or they want to discontinue or whatever. At times it happens they are not informing, and because of that, the burden comes on all of us. It's not just, it becomes, the workload increases for the president, but it is like our money is going into that. So if we can add something, some point here.
Ulka, these things are to be discussed in BOD, not in the assembly.
Not in the assembly. BOD first you
Okay.
have to discuss.
I'll throw some lights in my talk on this.
Yes, sir.
You just go ahead with the whatever amendments you have made in this bylaws. You can just tell them what are those changes.
Okay, it was only in this one article which I wanted the changes. Rest all my bylaws remains the same.
So for this, you will have to take another BOD,
BOD.
and then you decide.
Okay, sir. All right. I'll do that. Okay, the method of voting remains the same as we have it. The committees as we have also remains the same. For the finance also there is no change as such. The method of electing members remains the same, and the rule of amendments also remains the same. So as in that case, my I am, if we just need to pass on, if somebody has to propose and second it then. Somebody can please propose.
Ulka, is it any amendment is accepted or you are changing that? Because the
No, we'll be,
Article 11 says changing the club bylaws requires sending written notice to each member 10 days before the meeting. So if you are passing it now, you have to again call this
no, that
meeting.
it was decided, no, that we have to first discuss it in the board.
Okay, so don't accept it, because if you are
No,
accepting
no,
it,
no.
again you have to call this special GBM. It has been
Okay.
specifically mentioned in that way that whatever the changes, you have to take a special general body meeting. So this technical terminology again arises. So if you want to change something in the technical terminology, don't just accept it, because if you are accepted, again you have to call for a GPM. Again you have to go to BOD
Okay.
and get
Then
BOD to
I
GPM.
don't have any amendments.
Keep this issue as a pending issue and write down on your notes that my assembly decision was this, to keep the pending issue, and then we can decide in BOD and all.
Okay, I will keep it. So as of now, we are not passing the bylaws, right?
Member,
Yes.
Bylaws can change anytime. So now whatever is there, you can pass it now.
Okay, fine.
You can do amendment later on. There is no problem.
Okay, okay. So I need somebody to propose it and second it.
We are not making any change, you know.
No.
Then I take my name, no problem.
Secondary.
And I think
Sorry?
Shashikant said second
Proposed
name.
by Khanolkar sir and seconded by Shashikant Jagtap sir.
I could not hear it. I'm really sorry.
it is proposed by Khanolkar sir.
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Got it, na?
Yes, yes, got it. I will stop the screen sharing. And my next screen sharing was about the projects which we are going to do by our avenue wise. My screen is seen.
Ulka,
Yeah,
now
yeah.
you have to hand over to AG, Dr. Rajendra, and he will conduct the further proceedings.
Yes, sir. So I hand it over to you for the further proceedings. So
This screen was about what?
this is about the continuous projects.
Okay.
And the list of projects which we are going to do throughout the year, avenue wise.
Okay, you can just finish it off, no?
All right.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you, sir. There's a list of continuous projects which we'll be doing. Our Rotary School for Deaf, the Gajanan coaching classes, that is the college for deaf students, our RSK hall, the Siksha program, that is the scholarship for students of Rotary School for Deaf, Mentor Plus, De-Addiction, and Global Grant, the lake cleaning part. These are the continuous projects which have been carried forward every year on year, and some of them from last year. For our membership, we have the director as Rotarian Parag Dharmadhikari, and we have formed a committee too for it, in which we have Rotarian Om Prakash Dut sir, Rotarian Arun Patil sir, and Dr. Shirali sir. They all together are going to, they have already started it too, for the retention of members, and they have started searching for new, not searching rather, there are a few members they have suggested to whom we'll be inducting in future in our year, probably in the next month, that is the next August month, the membership month. For the next avenue, that's Rotary Foundation, we have 2 directors for it. Rotarian Om Prakash Doot sir, he will be he will be taking care of the support for the TRF, and Rotarian Dr. Ganesham Shirali, who would be taking charge for the programs what we do under the foundation part. We have a committee for that. We have a Rotarian Rajendra Manudane sir for it, Rotarian Manoj Kulkarni, and Rotarian Yogesh Ambre sir. They together are going to be taking care of the TRF contribution, Polio Plus, district grants, and global grant projects. For public relations, we have a director as Rotarian Rasika Modak, and with her in committee, we have these young people who are more tech savvy people. Rotarian Chetan Gaikwad, Rotarian Monali Gongte, she is our editor too, and Rotarian Ravindra Khanolkar sir, who is our club administrator too. And they will be mainly taking charge of the club website, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, the Rotary Showcase, and we are planning for some stickers to be printed and passed on, and a bulletin. Basically, this whole team is together going to work for branding our Rotary Club. In the community service avenue, now we have 2 directors here again. We have Director Rotarian Radhika Shirali ma'am. She is for the non-medical part, and with her she has a committee of Rotarian Shankar Satavne sir, Rotarian Shashikant Jagtap sir, and Rotarian Manohar Desai sir, and they all together are going to be taking care of all the 7 focus areas, to begin with literacy, the teacher support program, which immediately now we just spoke of one of it. On 28th and 29th we are having the teachers training program. We are going to be selecting names for the National Builder Awards. That's awards for the teachers which we give. We will be doing Happy School and the libraries. Under sanitation, we are going to have the wash stations in schools and the drinking water facilities. For the disaster management, we are going to, even as Shekhar Mehta wanted to keep each club to keep a little amount for the shelter kits in case of any unseen or some sudden unforeseen situation, and when people need these shelter kits, this kits will be having a complete set of things which can be used immediately in case of some disaster situation. And we will be having awareness programs for the first response for any disaster. That is, in case abhi kahin koi building gir gayi, to immediate hum kya kar sakte hain, that kind of awareness programs we'll be having. We do care for the environment too, and for that we will be doing the tree plantation, e-waste, and the dry waste management. We'll be having the solar lights put in villages, and we are looking for those sites. It's in process. Under the economic and community development, we'll be donating some wheelchairs to the needy person. We will be continuing with the de-addiction program and Choti Shri Asha, through which we will be doing a self-defense workshop for girls. This Choti Shri Asha is mainly for the girl child, to empower and develop the girl child. So we'll be having a workshop like this. Under the peace and conflict prevention, we will be having some awareness programs happening on that. Now, the second part of the community service is the medical. So now that this year in our district has been divided under preventive and curative. Now this is going to be headed by as a director by Rotarian Dr. Ramakant Yadav. And in his committee, we have Rotarian Dr. Girish Pofle, Rotarian Papalal Baheti sir, and Rotarian Dr. Praveen Sawant. For the preventive type of programs, we are going to have awareness seminars, positive health, that is know your numbers, height, weight, BP, sugar kind of medical camps. We will be taking active part in the end health programs. And we are even going to have the CPR training program, which is going to be conducted by our own Rotarian Papalal Baheti sir in the Adivasi areas where actual need, in case of an emergency, where to reach a hospital may take up some time. So to have a program like this in such areas would really help save someone's life. And for the curative kind of programs, we are going to have cataract operations done. We are looking for this, we are in talks with the Shastri Nagar Hospital for this hospital upgradation. First, we'll be giving them a warmer for that. Blood donation camps, we started our day with that. I mean, the month 3rd, we had this first camp, and in future also, we are going to be having the other camps. We will have some awareness programs for skin donations, and also for the maternal and child care of mother and child care awareness programs. We are even planning for this vaccination drive for our members and their family members. That is in process. We are in talks with some other club Rotarians who are actively participating in the vaccination drive, and we do look forward for trying to get this platinum certificate saying that our club is completely vaccinated. All members are vaccinated. Our International Service Avenue is going to be handled by Director Rotarian Shashikant Jagtap sir. And in his committee, they have Rotarian Narendra Jadhav and Rotarian Sanjeev Tambe, our IPP, in which we are going to be doing some flag exchanges. We'll be celebrating some international days. We will make sure that our members join the fellowship groups. We will plan for an IDY program and even the inter-district family exchange programs. And 4 members are planning to attend the RI convention at Houston. So we are even trying to motivate our members to really go and attend. Probably it may be for the first time that people may try to attend this RI convention from our club. Our Vocational Service Avenue, which is handled by Director Rotarian Yogesh Amre. In his committee, he has Rotarian Pankaj Bhaviskar, Rotarian Nitin Dake, and Rotarian Snehal Shinde ma'am. And they will be taking care of the career guidance programs, the vocational trips, and the vocational awards. Under the Youth Service Avenue, our director is Rotarian G. Ravi Shankar. And with him in his committee are again our young Rotarians, Rotarian Swapnil Kadu, Rotarian Manoj Patel, Rotarian Amit Tanvi. We have our Rotrack clubs. We have 6 intrack clubs, and we are planning to form one more Rotrack club, and if possible, another intrack club too. We will be doing the Raila, the Ripens, and we have accepted to be the lead host for the district event of MIPS, which is going to happen on the 16th of Jan 2022. I have given our club has given the confirmation for that. And this year our Rotrack club, the present Rotrack club, is having its 50th charter day on in March. So we would be even participating in that and helping them celebrate that. Our Club Service Avenue is going to be handled by Director Rotarian Sanjeevni Gamre ma'am. With her, the committee members are Rotarian Sushant Desai, Rotarian Sandeep Pulgaonkar, and Rotarian Yogesh Bhosle. And they all together have planned for this Shravan Dhara, the musical night, what we have every year. Charter Day celebration will be on the 2nd of October. Family nights, firesides. We have the box cricket, which we do every year. Picnic, which is again happening in this month itself. Plan for some other short trips, overnight trips, and also for the little bigger trip of to Kutch, which I had suggested for Feb. This year we've planned to start this program for ladies, the Rotary Ants and the lady Rotarians of our club, under the name Sakhi, wherein we are going to have a program every month for the lady members. And of course, we will be participating in Rotal too this year. So this was the list of projects avenue wise which we are planning to do for the year. I'll stop the sharing. Yeah, and now the main part are to conduct all these projects. We need to have a proposed budget for it. I'll just share the screen directly on that. I think by mistake I had closed it.
Was the problem, Ulka?
No, I'm just sharing it. I had by mistake closed the budget.
By mistake घर का बजट शेयर करो.
अरे बाप रे, वो तो
पहले फाइल ओपन करो,
आया है.
बाहर से फाइल ओपन करो, बाद में एक्सेस करो.
नहीं, वही बोला मैंने, बाय मिस्टेक वो एक्सेल बंद किया था, तभी तो उसमें वो सारा बंद हो चुका ऐसे. Sorry about it.
Yeah.
I have shared this with the club members and also with our AG. This is the proposed club admin as well as the project budget for the year 21-22 in INR. The receipts part, if you see on the left hand side, we will be having our membership fee as 12,000 coming from the existing 57 members, and one member we have is 57 members, and one member we have as a dual membership, and one more member we have as a honorary member, so that fees or nothing is included for it. So in all we have this 58 members, and as of now we have planned for just the basic part, we are planning to induct at least 5 members, and with that the new admission fee what we have for our club is 3,000, so that comes to 15,000, and new members at 12,000, and that'll be around 60,000. And other than these, we are planning to raise around minimum 2,01,000 as in by fundraising. And the total what comes to is 9,70,000, for which we have a list of expenses and payments which too we have to be making. First is our RI dues of 63 members, that is the 58 members plus the 5 new members. Considering them, the amount comes to 3,35,475. The RI the district dues, which is at 1,000 rupees per member, will be this. For the RI dues this year, since it is that $35 and plus that $1 for the legislative council meet, so 35 and 36, considering that way it comes to $71, and I have considered the rate as 75. Our Rotary dues for those 63 members will be 480 per member, so that comes to 30,240. And GST for this first, second and third option total together comes to 77,170, wherein we have a GST of 18% for all these above options. We would be helping our road tractors in their club projects by giving them the donations, not be randomly giving them the amount. We have our intra clubs too, for whom if they need any support, we have assigned an amount which would be like a donation for the intra club projects. We have the Rotary School for Deaf, which is a complete different identity, and we have a lot of projects along with them. So for that too, we need a lot of donations. So from the club fees, what we collect, we will be using 15,000 for that. The food expenses is the expense for the food which we'll be having in our meetings. The offline meetings, of course, not all will be online. So the offline meetings, considered it at approximately 50,000. The banners, the DTP, designs, what we get it done, the pins, new members, kits and all that, approximately it will be 25,000. The mementos and the gifts would be another 25,000. This would be the certificates and gifts and all that, which we'll be giving maybe to our speakers and like in any programs club further. We do wish to have the club roster, which we plan to release it on our charter day. So expense of that, and that would be a proper book, small book, which we every year have. The Charter Day celebration, 25,000. Our OCV, 20,000. Now the MIPS, which we are going to host the district event, which will be as the lead host. From the club, will be designating 15,000, and for the further amount, if needed, we will raise that amount too. Because it is still in a very initial planning stage, so I may not be able to tell the exact amount that is going to be spent, because along with when we are the lead clubs, we'll be having other co-host clubs too for that. We'll be having a club bulletin. We just released the first edition today. The July month bulletin we just released today. Expenses is 30,000. Basically, this 30,000 is all for the designing and the setting up of the 12 issues. We keep at least one shelter kit from our side. The amount has still not been told by the district, but a tentative amount of 8. They were saying it would be around 7,000 to 8,000. So considering that, we've kept that 8,000 for that. Blood donation camps, one which we already had, and now one more which we may have further again, as told by the district. So I've allocated 5,000 for that, and a little small miscellaneous amounts to which could be a small things which may need a little amount. So I've just kept this 2,115 rupees, again adjusting it with the amount of the others. From the fundraising, what we'll be doing for projects, for community service, we plan to spend at least 1,51,000 for that. Vocational services, we'll be spending around 10,000. International service, 10,000. Club service, 10,000. Youth service, 10,000. And public relations, another 10,000. Now, wherever the expenses increases, we will surely try and raise funds for it and accordingly go ahead with it as per this. And with that total, we have an expense of 9,70,000, for which we are going to raise some funds, and from the fees we will be collecting this 9,70,000 together and balanced both the sides that way. So this is our proposed budget for the year. And if, sir, any suggestions?
I'll suggest.
Sorry?
I'll suggest later on.
Yeah. All right, sir. Sure. I have shared this file with you. Please go through it at your convenience again.
Yeah, I have gone through. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I stop the sharing?
Yes, Suruka.
Yeah. No, go. Sorry. Okay. So can we pass this proposed budget or we need to wait?
It is already passed in the BOD, so no need to
Yeah.
ask for it.
Again, no? Sure. So, sir, now, I mean, from my side, I am done with all the requirements. If any suggestions, and please give, share your advice and blessings with us, if you have to say.
Should I start now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Ulka ji, President Ulka, Girish, and other members. There are 2 senior members in the club, like Khanolkar sir, my colleague Praveen Sawant sir, and other senior people too. I think there are only 11 participants in this. Is this the club attendance every time?
Almost.
Okay. First of all, I would like to congratulate you again for the very well and nice planning of the complete year. The project you have shown, the list, I was going through it. I didn't got bored of it because you told in such a lucid way that, and you will do it. I know that. The projects you have already done, like blood donation, 30 bottles of blood you have collected, whole year you will be doing a blood donation camps again.
Yes.
Then you have celebrated 3 doctors in Manav Kalyan. I am very much thankful to you regarding that. The other project what I liked is Chalo Murbad project, which is a technically very sound project. And it was a very nice, what you say is a good suggestion from the club member that 70 people will be trained at the technically at that site. So that is a very good project. What I feel it's, is it a pilot project for the club or no? Because you had received the award for such a project, no?
Yeah, for we've done this kind of projects for other types of I mean the technical teachers. This set of teachers is different, so the topics will be different and the whole proceedings will be little different probably.
On 18 July, you have planned tree plantation.
Yes, sir.
I just want to say regarding this tree plantation, have you planned how those trees will grow? You will plant it.
Yes, sir.
You will plant it, but what I suggest, somebody has to be there because you know many of the clubs they do a tree plantation just for them 1,000 trees, 1,500 trees, and later on they forget about. Nobody looks after that. So you might be having. I know that you have done the plan for that so that they will grow in a proper manner. So that's one thing. Then you have released a good bulletin where it mentions everything and the projects and previous Rajiv's views. Sorry, Sanju's views and other things. That was a good bulletin. Now, what I suggest, every month, all the board of directors should report their projects to you, and then you must upload on the website. Rotary Central, you must upload, including all the projects photographs also, the manpower, money used, and everything you can upload it, so that at the end of month, everybody, we need not to ask you again and again. Busy. We need not to ask you again and again कि भाई इसका मीटिंग का ये मिनट्स नहीं भेजा है, मीटिंग्स में क्या हुआ है, मंथली रिपोर्टिंग नहीं हुआ है. So before we ask you, you should report it to the Rotary Central, and then we'll be very happy to see that.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, this is now regarding the change of the guards. You have changed from the past president. He has no, I think you have not done the account signing. For
No,
that
sir.
purpose, you had to pass a resolution, which is a printed copy of that. You sign it, go to the bank, previous president, and get it changed. I think you have a PAN card of your club.
We have it of our trust.
Trust. Okay. So that should be the resolution passed before you join the new account. Then regarding the budget, what I suggest, budget is a good budget. It is about 10 lakhs budget. You have done almost 57 members plus 5 new members. That bring one each one. That जो मंत्र हम लोग चला रहे हैं शेखर मेहता जी का, तो मुझे लगता है कि 5 मेंबर्स से कुछ नहीं होगा, ये नहीं चल पे, कुछ और थोड़ा बड़ा रखना पड़ेगा टारगेट आपको, ताकि
Yes, sir.
फीस भी ज्यादा मिलेगा आपको, और काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट भी ये हो जाएंगे. और फंड
Yes, sir.
का तो प्लान किया ही है आपने, यू हैव डन ऑलरेडी दैट. Regarding now the club bylaws, in your bylaws it is written these bylaws can be amended in any of the regular meetings. No, it has to, you make that change in that last 11th amendment, last 11th point.
Yeah.
So there it has to be written, it can be changed or amended in BOD meetings, and which has to be get sanctioned after the BOD meeting. You can sanction, get it sanctioned in the GBM.
Okay.
Right. So at the time of GBM, you can show the copy to every member, and if at that time, if anybody raises any objection to that, then again you can go to the BOD. So point to be noted. Another thing you had said कि कुछ लोग पैसा देते नहीं हैं. You had mentioned the fees to be paid in the month of July and January. But what I feel, you make it a point, fees to be paid in the first week of July and first week of January, so that you get the RI dues budget. And whenever you are going to, you have to pay the fees before 31st of July and 31st of January. So if some member is resigning in between that from 1st of July, so you will have to pay the fees, whatever may be the situation. But for that, you cannot make the amendment in your club bylaws. You have to give the proper information to the members, and the on emails or whatever, you are not paid the fees, regular fees to be paid as early as possible. And you can say that somebody, if wants to leave the club, please share your information beforehand, so that club will not be burdened. As last past Sanju has supported that what you said. So you cannot make amendment like that, but you can make it a point that every member should get information. क्योंकि नए मेंबर्स को ना बहुत बार मालूम ही नहीं रहता कि आरआई को ड्यूज भरना पड़ता है, या ये 12,000 फीस में से मेरा पैसा कहाँ जाता है, किधर जाता है, सिर्फ क्लब में उड़ाते हैं, या so they don't know. So you have to tell the new members, those who are coming, कि भाई ये पैसा इसमें से आपका $75 75 रुपीज के हिसाब से 8,500 करीब साल का जाता है इसमें, inclusive of your RI dues and everything. So that you have to make the clear. Then you have audited accounts, last year's audited account.
Still not with me. We have that of the trust, which will happen,
No,
and
not trust. Your
no,
club,
not
club's
the
account.
club. Club accounts are not audited.
They are to be audited. See, club is a AOP.
1 minute, Ulka, we have audited account for our club and trust as well.
We always
Understood.
present in OCV.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
Okay.
get it audited and
yeah. They are verified in OCV. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
No, I am asking about the last year's accounts. They are to be audited and
Yeah, yeah.
given to the next president, so that they can mention it properly in their OCV also. But because few clubs have a OCV in the month of July, August also. So they are required. It is mandatory.
Yeah,
yeah, Sanjeev just finished the year and he has to finalize the account.
Yes, yes. It has to be finalized as early as possible. संजीव थोड़ा 10-15 दिन मेहनत करके करो, so that next president.
नहीं सर, ये हो चुका है. Only this I am waiting for our because our club CA is Manoj Seth only.
Yeah, I know.
तो अभी कोविड है तो मैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा रुका हूँ.
No issues. COVID
Definitely will supposed to submit to our latest by July.
I think these were my suggestions, and once again I must congratulate president, secretary, and other members. This club is nicely. I would like to see the club offline, not online. Online bore.
Sure. Same as.
Sir, you join us for picnic.
Yeah, you can join us for the picnic.
This is on 18th of 25th of July, na?
July. Yeah.
Okay. We are having already a picnic on 24th at my farmhouse.
Oh.
And I would welcome you to my farmhouse whenever you feel free to come there.
Sure,
Can have BOD meetings also. Can have a picnic also. No issues.
Sure, sir. Thank you so
all
much.
The best. All the best, Ulka.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, one thing I would like to mention that tree plantation we are doing in SIA college campus, and the students only will be taking care of those plants, and we are trying to form road tract in that college.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Project.
Good planning.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes. If anybody has to make any announcement or wants to share anything.
Ulka, I just want to make one announcement.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, since there is a very nice gesture, and last year we have done in happy school. So most probably next week we are because as our vendor has not delivered that slide to our happy school early last year, so it has been expected to deliver by latest by Tuesday or Wednesday. So we are handing over to school because that is the only thing has been left out for handover to them. So not only that, but now we are this year we are, because since we have formed the RCC last year, and since they are just 4-5 days back I have been there, and there is one other sponsor has come out, and he wants to donate something for these students. So this year we are proposing to give to this. There is a 2 school basically there is nearby. So one is Bandhanwadi and another one is our Koprajiwadi, where the RCC is there. So they asked that what I supposed to give, because they want to give some donation. So we told them that to please talk to them in person. So they personally visited, and now they are donating shoes and sandals to the students. There are almost 48 students are there in total.
Great.
So they are donating that sandals. Most probably that day we are donating that sandals to, because there is hardly 2-3 students are having their chappals or sandals. So that is a necessity of today, because there is a totally forest area. So they might require, the kids require the sandals or chappal. And apart from that, we are giving some stationery material, because as government stationery material not arrived yet. So from our side or some organization side, definitely we are trying for some stationery material to donate to those kids. And I am expecting that this is going to be a Rotary project. There is slide arrival is not been finalized, so I can't able to give the exact date. But since we are having something, we can forward it latest by next 4-5 days, because as soon as I got the confirmation, because as the donor has given me confirmation just yesterday, I am confirmed with that.
Thank
So
you.
the cost is 8,000, 10,000 rupees. So they are not worry about that cost of that chappal or sandals. Apart from that, they are having 2 other donors. So I asked them, sir, उनके साथ साथ और क्या दे सकते हैं वो भी बताइए. So I am still pushing them and asking them for another good thing
Thank you
for
so
them.
much.
So let's see what exactly we can do the best for that Koprajiwadi and Bandanwadi at a single stage, single half-day program probably. So this is we are thinking on, because basically we are doing on the working day in the morning hours, because since Sunday there is a holiday in the school, so we are thinking of doing in the working hour. So I will update you all the details shortly.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev, for taking this initiative and talking to the sponsors and getting the sponsorship. We'll surely plan it out, and if any of our members do wish to join you that day, just give us a little time of, so that I can intimate all the members well in advance. तो और ज्यादा लोग जाएंगे तो स्पॉन्सर्स को भी अच्छा लगेगा और वो बच्चों को भी वहाँ अच्छा लगता है कि आप कुछ ढंग का हो रहा है, वैसे उनको भी लगता है, एंड दे आल्सो लाइक इट. वो आपने देखा है जो पूरे साल में आपने किया है. सो दैट I just missed out
That is a
on
good
one.
gesture by past president.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Dr.
Sir,
Wankhede,
we
I
are-
would like to tell you one, before pandemic, in one medical camp, morning 7 o'clock, our 13 past presidents were present, including other Rotarians.
Yeah, wow.
So we have a very good support and this thing of past president.
Yes.
Only pandemic and being virtual, people are little
hesitate
reluctant.
to join.
And we
Yes,
all believe that our club has no problem. It has to work smoothly.
Yes, it's a
Uh,
very
Sir, सर एक आपको
Please.
यार, आई मीन टुडे इज अ GVM एंड यहाँ पे सिर्फ 11 लोग हैं.
assembly, huh?
असेंबली एक असेंबली है जिसमें 11 लोग हैं, विच इज मेंट फॉर ऑल द मेंबर्स.
Yes.
बट जो मेरी सेकंड को BOD हुई थी उसमें 15 लोग थे बिकॉज वो ऑफलाइन थी.
Yes.
So that is like वो हमारे यहाँ बहुत क्रेव कर रहे हैं हम लोग ऑफलाइन मीटिंग्स के लिए, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन we cannot go against the rules.
Good.
And I forgot to mention one thing, that we had a sponsorer who donated 10,000 rupees to our trust, and that happened on our installation day. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention about that earlier. So in fact the school people were very happy. The school, that Savle sir, he was like, अरे उल्का मैडम thank you so much की आता जेव्हा काहीच येत नाहीये त्यात तुम्ही 10,000 आणते ते पण आमच्यासाठी खूप आहे. So they were very happy about that, and I'm really sorry I missed out on this part. Any other announcements?
So we have to add that RCC to your partners in service list.
Yes, sir. I will do that. I missed it out. I'm sorry, Sanjeev. I was not aware of it. I will add it up.
About today's attendance in MIDC, many of our members are staying in MIDC and there is a power shutdown for some repairs. Since morning 11:30 there was no power and most of the Wi-Fi's have stopped working because inverter is not working. So that's why Manoj, he has already sent a message that he is not able to join because of this one.
Yeah.
He's a very active member, Manoj Kulkarni. Dr. Rajendra must have seen him last time.
For the installation.
KRF director, and he was very keen on joining, but he couldn't join.
He was MOC of installation.
Yes, sir. So
Yes, Ulka.
yeah, otherwise we move further now. In that case, I would request our traditional way of doing it, what we do every year. The president-elect, I request him for the vote of thanks. Over to you, Dr. Praveen Sawant, sir.
Okay, can you hear me?
Oh, I'm
Yes, sir.
sorry.
Yes, sir.
Can we
Okay.
have the secretarial announcement after this or before
Yeah.
this?
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, AG Rotarian Dr. Rajendra Wankhede, Ulka ji, President, past President Sanjeev, senior members like Dr. Ganesham Shirali, Ravindra Khanolkar, and all our members who are present. At the outset, let me apologize for joining late this meeting. I was busy with the patients, obviously. But first of all, thank you very much, AG Rotarian Ravindra Wankhede ji. And thank you for a number of your suggestions. We have taken note of your suggestions, especially like directors should talk to or report projects to the president about our pilot project, about PAN card of the club and all those things. And the budget should be passed in the BOD and then put in GBM. About the regulations of this thing or the club, make amendments in the regulations and audited accounts to be submitted. We will look after all these points, I assure you. And we also are looking forward to offline meeting, in-person meeting with you, sir. And we'll be very happy if you could join our picnic also. As you said, you have got a picnic on 24th, and it was a very nice gesture on your part to suggest us to join anytime. We will think over it, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you all our senior members, Dr. Rajendra, Dr. Ravindra Khanolkar, Rotarian, Dr. Ganesham Shirali once again, senior members, past President Sanjeev, Ulka ji, and all other members, Secretary Girish. I'm sorry I was not there for the secretarial announcements if they're made.
It is now. Up to yours.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So thank you, everybody. And we'll go ahead with the secretarial announcements. Thank you.
Over to you, Girish. Please unmute. Girish, please unmute.
Yes, thank you. Sorry, it was mute. Secretarial announcements. We have Rotarian Vishal Dhuri celebrating birthday today on 9th of July. And we wish him a very happy birthday. Tomorrow, 10th of July, Rotary and Mrs. Kirtida Yogesh Ambre is celebrating her birthday. Happy birthday, madam, in advance. On 13th of July, Mr. Harish, son of Mr. Rotarian Mr. G. Ravi Shankar is celebrating his birthday. On 14th of July, Miss Saina Yogesh Ambre, she is the daughter of Rotarian Yogesh Ambre. She is celebrating her birthday. On 15th of July, Rudra Naresh Jadhav, son of Rotarian Narendra Jadhav, is celebrating his birthday. On 16th of July, Rotarian Gokul Amrutkar is celebrating his birthday. This is about birthdays. Anniversaries on 11th of July, Rotarian Praveen Gongte and Rotarian Monali Gongte is celebrating their wedding anniversary. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for all of our members for attending this club assembly. And most important, Dr. Wankhede for taking out his valuable time for us. Thank you very much, sir. Over to you, Ulka.
Thank you so much. Can we rise for the national anthem?
1 minute. Ulka, you want me to play it?
Yes. In case you don't rise, you can just salute.
No, give me 30 seconds.
Sir, Doctor Sir, we have started this new trend in our club. In case अभी कई बार ऐसे होता है Zoom पे है तो people just screen को बंद कर देते हैं, खड़े नहीं होते, screen बंद कर देते हैं. So just to change that, we have thought if you want to sit, you sit, but you can just salute at the time.
उनका राधिका मैडम ने काय बोलायचं?
वो मैम बोला ना.
It is not nice. You have to stand.
Okay.
This is against bylaws of foreign government. Sit when there is a national.
राधिका मैम काही बोलायचं होतं?
Yeah, I think you can put up the camera and you can stand, because many of them are not wearing formal dress, so they can't stand. But their lower part will be visible in front of camera if they stand. That's why they are putting off the video.
For me, I am in a consulting, so no issue. I am in a consulting dress.
Yeah, for those are working, so they don't have any law, but those are not working, they have to stand. I verified because that's why I stop video and I'm standing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ulka, can I start?
Yes, sir, please.
Radhika madam wants to say something, I think.
Bharat Mata ki.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, Ulka.
I adjourn this meeting.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.